Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn English with Stories. Today's story is about a smart little girl and a big bad wolf. Let's enjoy and learn English with the classic tale, Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. She always wore a red hood, so people called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother said, "Grandma is sick. Please take this basket of food to her." "Okay, Mom," said the girl. Her mother said, "Stay on the path, don't talk to strangers." "I promise," said Little Red Riding Hood. She walked through the forest with her basket. She looked at the flowers and birds. Suddenly, a big bad wolf saw her. The wolf said, "Hello, little girl, where are you going?" She said, "To my grandma's house with food." The wolf smiled, but he had a bad plan. He ran fast to Grandma's house. At the house, the wolf knocked on the door. "Who is it?" asked Grandma. "It's me, Little Red Riding Hood," said the wolf. Grandma said, "Come in, dear." The wolf jumped in and locked Grandma in a closet. Then he wore her clothes and got into bed. Later, Little Red Riding Hood reached the house. She knocked and said, "Grandma, it's me." "Come in, my dear," said the wolf in a soft voice. She walked in and looked at her grandmother. She said, "Grandma, what big eyes you have." "Better to see you, my dear," said the wolf. "Grandma, what big ears you have." "Better to hear you, my dear." "Grandma, what big teeth you have." "Better to eat you," shouted the wolf. The wolf jumped out of bed. Little Red Riding Hood screamed. Just then, a woodcutter was walking by. He heard the scream. He ran inside and saw the wolf. He shouted, "Leave the girl alone." The wolf ran away, scared. The woodcutter opened the closet and saved Grandma. Little Red Riding Hood hugged her. She said, "I will never talk to strangers again." Grandma smiled and said, "I'm glad you're safe." Let's remember some new words. Hood, a cloth that covers the head. Basket, a container to carry things. Path, a way through the forest. Stranger, a person you don't know. Closet, a small room for storage. Woodcutter, a man who cuts trees. Scream, to shout in fear. Safe, not in danger. Thanks for watching the story of Little Red Riding Hood. What did you learn today? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video.